Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create a multicam edit in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, so to create a multicam edit, first and foremost I'll come to import. Now when I come to import, I'll choose the clips that I want to import. So I'll look for the folder. This is my first clip. Okay, so basically what you have to note about the multicam edit, it's basically capturing one person but using different camera directions. So this person was talking, and as you can see, these are the clips. So what I'm going to do first is to carry this, then I drop it in the timeline. Okay, so I also carry this one here, then I also drop it in the timeline there. So the person was talking, but we capture this person using different camera directions. Okay, so basically I'll reduce the volume a bit. So at this point, basically I can come and use some small adjustments. Come to adjustments here. Now when you come to adjustments, scroll down. You can increase the exposure up to around 18 or 26, even the contrast. Now for the highlights, you can reduce it a bit. Okay, so at that point you're good to go. Now basically come and tap on this one that says apply to all. Alright, so let's play the video and see how the multicam edit is working now. Okay, so let's play and see. So this is the first camera direction of this person talking. Okay, the camera was directly looking into the person's face. So this one is the second camera direction, that one there. As you can see, the camera was looking this person's face but on the sides. Okay, that's how basically you can create the multicam edit in DaVinci Resolve. Alright, thank you for watching guys. Until next time, I sign out.